Well, welcome back to another episode of Lifescape Bite. Today I want to talk about the saying that you don't know what you don't know. I was on a plane recently and I had a conversation with a young lady about estate planning, and when she asked what I did, and I said, well, so what have you done in order to make sure that if you get sick, someone's able to take care of your finances or your health matters? She says, oh, I've got that covered. My husband can do those things for me. And I looked at her and I thought to myself, well, you don't know what you don't know. Because the reality is, if you get sick and you do not have a durable power of attorney for finances or a healthcare power of attorney for medical reasons, your spouse cannot make those decisions. Just because you're married does not mean your spouse has access or the ability to access your finances or to make healthcare decisions for you, unless the accounts are jointly held. But things like insurance policies or online accounts, unless you are a joint owner, then you cannot access those. And we typically have to go to probate court and have the spouse appointed as the guardian or conservator. And health-wise, if you have not appointed your own agent, then the doctors will be the ones making the decisions, and they will do everything possible to keep them alive. But your spouse or your partner, whoever that may be, is unable to make any of those decisions. So just because you're married doesn't mean that your partner, your spouse, has the ability to make those decisions for you. And by the way, that young lady also had a college-age child, and I said, so what happens if he's involved in an automobile accident? And she said, well, I'm the mom, and I said, no, that's not correct. When that child turns 18, you lose all control, financially as well as health-wise. Once again, if you've got a child that's 18 years old and running off to college, you need to make sure that you have powers of attorney for health and for finances. Well, I appreciate your tuning in for Lifescape Bite, and this is the call to action today. If you need to get those documents in place, we call them the Foundational Four, please give us a call, 816-291-4143. Blessings to you, and I look forward to sharing time with you in the future. Bye-bye.